Welcome geometry students to class today on Tuesday, December 3rd. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to review some math today. Let's take this step by step. First of all, you should have already taken your Chapter 6 test, Part 1. Okay, you should have already done that. It's a fill in the blanks test, and I hope you did well on that. If not, I really don't know what to say, except you need to study more, okay? It's just fill in the blanks. You might have to write each one 10 times. You might have to memorize them. You might have to have your parents go over them and over them with you, but I'll be honest with you, please don't be offended by this. That information, when you put it on one sheet of paper, handwritten, would probably be about one sheet, maybe a sheet and a half. Typed, it would be probably a little less than one sheet. And that's very, very normal for a high school class or a college class. So, guys, I hope you did well, okay? You should have already done that. Number two, at this point in time, you should have, or not, you should not have, I apologize to you. You should go ahead now and turn in your homework if you did not turn it in yesterday. So turn in your homework if you didn't do that yesterday, and your homework was to write all of those things 3 times each. Now it should be done, okay? So go ahead and turn that in now unless you turned it in yesterday. And then lastly, I want you to go ahead and start working on your review sheet. So you will have a test tomorrow, and the test tomorrow will not have any problems on it that's not on the review sheet. So if you'll go ahead and get started now, here's the review sheet, page 342, numbers 10 through 33. That's a pretty small review sheet, by the way, compared to usual. 10 through 33 all, page 300. It starts on page 342. Actually, it starts on page 343. Sorry about that. Page 343, numbers 10 through 33 all. Now, students, please remember that and Haley, you're new to my class. You've never taken a test. You've only taken a quiz. Students, Haley, you do not have to do this review sheet, but I encourage you to. If you do this entire review sheet, Haley, and turn it in tomorrow before you take your test, I give you 5 bonus points on your test. Now, you don't have to, but it's definitely something worth doing, in my opinion, okay? And by the way, if you can work all these problems out, you should be pretty good for your test on tomorrow. And that's going to be a tough test. It's going to be thorough. You've got to study, 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 okay? And by the way, if you think well, I don't want to get into all that now because I want you to get started review sheet. So here's the video you need to watch, okay? Here's the video. It's Geometry Chapter 6 Review Sheet. Now, would you please listen to me? This review sheet was done last year. Let me say that again. This review sheet right here, this video that you're going to watch to help you do the review sheet, it was made last year. Don't listen to anything that I say except how to work the problems. Don't listen to what I say about the test. It might say the test is on Monday. It might say the test is on Friday. It might say the test is on New Year's Day. All right, ignore everything I say on this video except how to work the problems. I want you to start the video. You're going to fast forward it and start the video at 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Okay, everything else you don't need to watch. I'm talking to Ashley, I'm talking to Megan, I'm talking to Kate, I'm talking to Tara on different things they're missing in different assignments. You don't need to watch that, okay? Fast forward the video to 9 minutes and 32 seconds and start the video right there. And when you do that, it'll be right at number 10 right here. If you fast forward the video to 9 minutes and 32 seconds, it'll be right there at number 10, okay? So here's the review sheet. Please get to work on it now. You will have a test tomorrow. Going over this review sheet. And if you need a video to help you with this review sheet, here's the video, Geometry Chapter 6 Review Sheet. Fast forward the video to 9 minutes and 32 seconds. Please call or email if you have any questions. Thank you.